Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to basically be showing you guys how I customize my lace closures, my lace frontals for the most part. But today I will be working with a lace closure wig that I got from Allovehair, or Allovehair. I don't know how to pronounce it for real, but they sent me this really nice 24-inch closure wig. Now it has adjustable straps. The size of the closure is good. Also, they have clips if anybody uses those. I personally don't use them, but if you guys use them, they're there. So I'm actually going to be coloring this unit with a off black color that I got from Adore. I mean, I didn't get it from Adore. Adore is the brand, and I got it from the beauty supply store. You can go to any local beauty supply store and you'll see this brand for sure. But I'm just doing the watercoloring method. I'm putting some hot water. I used a pitcher because I couldn't find the bowl that I usually use to color, so I'm just using this pitcher that I've been using lately. And I just put some water in there, and I put most of the hair dye, but I didn't use the whole bottle. And I'm basically just going to be dipping my unit in there, and I'm actually going to be putting the whole thing in there. I did spray some Got2b on the lace before I did this and make sure it completely dried, but I didn't show you guys, so I wanted to let you guys know to make sure you guys protect the lace with some type of barrier, because it will dye the lace and your lace will be black. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be rinsing this out, let it dry for a minute until we're ready to bleach the knots on the wig. So the hair isn't completely dry, but I do need to bleach the knots. So it's dry a little bit, but not all the way. So I'm just using some bleach that I had left over because I was bleaching some more bundles or whatever. So I'm just here doing that, and then I'm just gonna let this sit for about, I left it for like 40 minutes to be honest, because it took a little minute for the bleach to pick up all the knots, and I wanted to make sure that it looked perfect. So after that, I left it on for 45 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to be using my Shimmer Like shampoo, and I'm going to actually be leaving that on for like 30 to 40 minutes so everything is toned. And then I'm going to wash that out, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition the hair and let that dry. I've been using this lace tint that I bought from the beauty supply store. They have directions on it. Make sure you guys test this out on a white piece of paper, something, before you guys spray it on hair to make sure you guys get your right skin tone. So I'm just saturating that, and I'm going to let that dry, and I'll be back in the morning. Okay guys, so it's the morning, and now I'm going to get into the plucking process. The hair is completely dry now, and I'm just sectioning out the back from the front. So basically I'm just sectioning out the closure from the rest of the hair, and I'm just going to be plucking. I'm going to show you guys two different methods that I do use while I pluck, so that's what you guys are going to see, and it's really simple, easy. You guys see what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure you guys see how everybody plucks a wig. Don't stay in one spot. That's one thing that you guys should make sure you guys don't do. Make sure you guys don't stay in one spot while you guys are plucking, because it can lead to holes, bald spots, and all types of stuff. So make sure you guys are careful when you guys are plucking. You guys see that I'm parting, and I'm making a part, and I'm plucking behind that part, and I'm just putting a little bit of water on there because I feel like it's easier to pluck a wig while it's wet and you can see kind of what you're doing more. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is one of my methods, and I'm just going to brush that back, and then I'm going to go in and pluck the front also because it's not fully plucked. This is the next method, and this is the method I prefer. So the hair is already in the middle part, and then I'm not going to touch around the part where the middle part is. I'm just plucking like on the sides, and I'm just going to be parting that out like I did before, but instead of plucking back, I'm going to be plucking the part that I parted out. If you guys understand, you guys can see what I'm doing right here, so you guys can kind of put 2 and 2 together and see what I'm talking about. So that's basically what I'm doing, and then I'm going to keep doing that, and then I'm going to brush the hair back so you guys can see the difference, and then I'm going to pluck the front. I feel like this is more effective in my opinion for me personally, but if you feel like you have another way or you prefer the other way, then you guys should definitely do that. But this is the way I prefer and the way that works for me. You guys can see how natural that looks. I'm actually going to be going into the other side also and just plucking that a little bit more so it can match the other side. And then we're going to get into basically flat ironing the back part of the hair and making sure everything is flat and smooth and straight and ready. Like I said, I'm about to flat iron the hair, the unit, whatever, and I'm going to be using some oil sheen just for it to have a little bit of shine or whatever. I do use, the flat iron that I use is Xfinity Pro by Kanye. You guys should invest in one of these. They're, in my opinion, the best flat irons. They have like a steam process, like a steam mode. They have like all the way up to like 480 something degrees. Like, it's a really great flat iron, so you guys should definitely invest in that. I'm not sponsored by them either, so I'm telling y'all facts, okay? So yeah, I'm just flat ironing the hair, guys, and you guys are going to see all that, and then I'm actually going to be trimming the hair, and that's really it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll get back to you guys at the end. Now that we're finished the back, we're gonna start with the closure. I'm using my wax stick and I'm just making sure everything is flat. I'm gonna be using my hot comb and just getting the middle part flat a little bit for now. Then I'm gonna be parting out a little piece of the closure just to cover the tracks on in the back. You guys are gonna see what I'm doing right here. And then I'm just gonna be going in with my wax stick, the hot comb, and the flat iron just to make sure everything is flat with the closure. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so this is actually the end of my video. This is how the hair turned out. I loved how it turned out. I'm actually going to be putting some layers in this hair when I install it, so make sure you guys are in tune for that video. If you guys are interested in buying this wig or anything else from Allovehair, make sure you guys check my description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media platforms, and until next time, Desi out.
Way too motherfucking wavy. I can't imagine myself being basic. I feel like the man when I'm thumbing through faces. Hide all this pain in this blood.